how to backup home screen layout on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. From here, we go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. Next, scroll down and then tap on home screen. Tap on the home screen toggle button to turn it on. Now, if you backup home screen, this will allow you to also backup apps. Okay, so we go down and then tap on the backup now button. And this will back up your home screen and apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.